Again, so we are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are here to call and rejoice in their happiness and find a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. So anyway, good morning. And is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? One, let us continue. Tayo na po tayong dalawa. Gladness po. Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. Ralph Alan, yes. Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Okay. Kayong dalawa, you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntarily.
Yes po.
Okay. Ralph Alan, will you have Gladys to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Gladys, will you have Ralph Alan to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes po.
Okay, meron po tayong sisi. Nasaan yung sisi? Ayun, sige. So, follow after me. Muna ka, Ralph Alan, follow after me. Alam mo sing ni Gladys. I give you,
I give you,
sige, sama ko. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I am,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Pakisuot na po. Ganun din po, among Gladys, follow after me. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Pakisuot na po. Tama na, space, ano naman payo po natin at saka wish sa bagong kasal. Harap pa tayo dito.
Awis ka na. Makipag na ako ni ako. Sikurin mo, magtabi natin ako. Ako, ipaka. Inyaman na trials ko. May tibiyan ko niya ako sa pagkakutam. Sinanama ka niya ako sa dahil nakainyaman sa pagkakutam. Aginayat-ayat niya buwa. Ay nyaman niya plano yung panagbiag niya ako Diyos magdala tayo. So God bless.
Thank you. Wish Kim payo lagi dyan.
Ang wish ko sa inyo, magmahalan hanggang kailan. Walang away ang walang ayun mo.
Thank you. Oh, sige, salamat sa mga testimony. Ma'am, anamit wish Kim payo dyan kasal.
I-wish ko lang na
Thank you. Oh, sumama tayo dyan likod. Wish Kim payo met ng Ibininong, Kim Ninang, and sponsor.
So, Gladys, kita sa kaan niya kasla kanin, ano na isubong ko na silika, yun lang. Dahil siya nga sinareklita ka, siyempre kayo di ba na pamilya, although nabaya kayo nga bilingan, patsingtadan nyo dahil babalik ay ayan-aya, respect
may problema ito itong gamay sa pag sinukong kayo kaduwa at lumasaw ng gamay.
Chan.
Bilang kaibigan, pag nag-first in your relationship.
Thank you. Ma'am?
Congrats. Yan ang kansa. Naging happy.
Thank you.
Congrats, Lord. Sana masaya kayo lagi.
Minsan na, congratulations sa mga nagtanong ng bata. Naging paksiyak sa mga amok na pagsakti. Kinikiling na kanya yung wish you all the best. Sa pinakamata, maaari yung mahinig. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Sama kasama yung grade bilang second parent yun. Ito na mga nagigay lang na hindi pag-aaral yung problema yun. Kaso na lang kami nga. Yeah.
Congratulations. Alam mo malagi. Kasi ano ka na, magkakaroon kami na. Happy days. Yun lang. God bless.
Jen. Kawalan, sige. Saan mo kayo nagawa? Kalan? Gladys, go. O, tama. Gladys, alaman, vows mo to your husband from the heart. Isa niya tanong mo yung everybody.
This is it, lahat. Finally, pangungapon, medical wife, thank you sa another 28 months na certification nga nag-uturay pa. Magayok ko nakayagan man, walang work it. Thank you na tayo sa walang sawang pagmamahal. Pag munawa, walang maminsan talaga nga dati pakalot. Parte hindi ang asawa, ikatagura ng aman ng isa. Ngayon, kung ano kay Kasdar, hindi yung tanga resultaran ng naman yung problema ng ito. Agapat na lang na tayo yung naan ng sinsina. Thank you na tayo dahil sa dami ng pagsubok na dumating sa atin, mas pinili natin mag-stay sa isa't isa. Wala nang atalasan ito. Anong ginto na? I promise, I will love you for the rest of the night.
Oh, Alan, ano naman vows po natin sa ating wife? Follow after me. Alan. I hereby take you, Gladys, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Thank you. That is my vow for me. I hereby take you, Ralph Alan,
Hereby make you proud
to be my husband,
be my husband,
to have and to hold,
heaven hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for rich or poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn
Okay. By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Coresma III, Municipal Mayor Pampanga, Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which I have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay, we now kiss the bride. Sarap picture.
Yes.
Sapay, sapay, sapay.
Signing of your certificate of marriage, ibang witness ako. Four cups. Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, with the parents and family.
Ako bukid na gano'n mo.
Ninong-nina.